Hi. You might be thinking your life feels a little wonky, maybe even upside down. What is actually happening is there's an emotional heaviness and restlessness. You're flopped over, you're flopped up, you're flopped over, you're flopped up. And this card in the Oracle of the Lake deck shows you exactly why. It's one of the funnest card in the deck because we're exploring the bottoms up card. It's about understanding what your energy is all about right now. When it shows up for you, there might be an emotional restlessness or even heaviness and a feeling of uncertainty that things are not as they seem. Most people think this issue is external, but the card reveals that lightness is ready to be seen and reset your energy. It's about having a little bit of fun. It's not about fixing everything, it's about shifting the energy. It's a water card. So, water cards show you when things are imbalanced emotionally, there may be a pattern that you're stuck in. And when you're aligned, clarity, flow, and trust happens. Pause and observe yourself for right now and ask yourself if this card was drawn for me right in this moment, where am I in this pattern? Am I upside down? Am I flopping up and down like ducks do when they're searching for something under the water? Where am I ready to release something? You don't need more effort. You need a little more fun, a little more lightness. You need alignment. If this card is speaking to you, let me know. And let me know how you can have some fun in the comments below. As well, read the description. There is a call to action for you about the cards as a whole and how you can use them for your own transformation and to stay in alignment for greater peace and harmony in your life.